how to get and set up reminder bot for Discord reminders. So if you want to get a reminder bot and set up the reminder bot for your Discord, then first you need to open up your browser, and here you need to search for reminder bot, and you need to go with the first option, or here you will have the reminder bot. You can go with this one too. Once you're on the bot, now you need to go with add to your server. And now you need to select the server in which you would like to add, and then go with continue. Scroll down, go with authorize and verify. Just click on this box and then go with your server, and it has been added to your server. Right, now you can go back to your reminder page, go with your dashboard, which is on the top right. Scroll down, go with authorize, and you will have this kind of interface. Now, and here you may have reminder option, but if you don't have the reminder right here, then you just need to simply go back, and now you've added your reminders, right? So once you added your reminder bot, you need to just simply go with your server, and on your server you need to add a reminder. So to add a reminder, you need to press / on your keyboard, and then you need to go with the bot, which is reminder bot right here. Once you click on reminder, now here you will have all of the options. So you need to go with /remind. Just click on this, and here you need to enter the time, the content. You can add the time as 10 seconds or 10 minutes, and go with content and hit the enter, and the reminder has been set. So that's how you can get and set up the reminder notification bot on your Discord. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.